Today I'm going to attempt to install this Blend Door Actuator made by Duralast. I'm going to put it on this 2016 Ford F150. It's a Lariat. I picked a snowy day to do it on. Looks like I'll be working in my garage. Alright, I got my heater going. Of course I am going to shut the garage door back. But this little part, I just kind of want to show you where it's going. There's, from what I understand, there is 3 of them on this vehicle. This one is the one that changes like from panel to defrost to floor mode. It's right up in there. So basically the only thing that's in my way is that metal bracing. So I'll get in there and get some better pictures and see what I have to take apart to get it out. From what I can tell, there's no screws in it. But this lower piece under the steering column, it came off fairly easy. And then when it's kind of cold today, so I don't want to break any plastic. But so far, that's all I see. All just those little plastic tabs that they pop out. There's a tab here, here, and then you come over here to the right side, the steering column where the start button is. And these will pop out also right here and here, here, and there. So now I have these two nuts will hold this on. I believe if I take this off too, I can take this metal plate off. Might have a better access of viewing the part I'm trying to remove. So the screws are about I think they're a 9/16. Yes. Okay, so I've removed all 4 of the screws there. This plate should pull down, pop out. And now this was those 2 screws that were behind that little plate I took was what was holding this on. There's a couple little, it feels like you squeeze them together back there. That should push through. Yeah, that one. Kind of have to twist it back and forth and squeeze it. There you go. That way you don't break them. That way they can be stuck back in there. Here's the harness, you know, electric if you need to remove it. I'm going to try just to put it up out of the way. So after taking that off, I was able to see through that little hole. There's that metal bracket. There's a little hole, so I can tell it's the back. This will actually set in there, like kind of like at that angle there. Get this light on it a little better. It's going to set. It's going to sit in here like this. So I have to unhook the wire harness. And there is a screw that goes in here, and there is a screw that goes in here, and it looks like there's just a black tab probably to keep it aligned, so I'll put it on there. So I need to get these 2. This bottom one's pretty easy to get to. The top one maybe a little more challenging. It's tied up there. So there's that hole I was talking about. There's the harness back here. Take that out, and there's a screw to the bottom right of that. And if you kind of go up on the left side of that metal bracket, there's a screw. So hopefully I can get my hand in here to get that screw out as well. See the wire harness, see that little red tab on there? You're going to grab that tab and you're going to pull it down this way. And once you pull it down, just grab the sides. It just slides right out like that. There's the first screw I need to take out. It's a T20. I'm not sure if that's the exact size, but my T20, it fit it. So I'm going to take that screw out first, and then I'm going to attempt to go up higher and take the other screw out. It's actually turning pretty easily. Just at a hard angle to twist it. Okay, still trying to get that top one out. Is that it? Let's see. That might be it. Let's see if we got her. I did. There she is. There's the screw I was trying to get out, right? So there's the old one. Let's see the other one. Here's the other one laying right next to it. Looks pretty exact. Front side and back side. So here's the only tools I use. I had a little flashlight, my Torque T20, and this here is a 5/16, and the part, it's a Duralast Blend Door Actuator, and it looks like it's part number 604290. Purchased that at Autozone. Definitely the new one is working properly now, and it's a good thing since I'm fixing to have to go to work in this weather. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you like what I do. I try to fix about everything. I love flying drones, making travel videos, and we'll see you next time. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.